Welcome to Tech Talks. In this video, we shall look at examples on how to find the probabilities that we have been given. So, in today's example, we have that events A and B are such that probability of A equals to 19 out of 30, probability of B equals to 2 out of 5, and probability of A union B equals to 4 out of 5. Then they are saying find question 1, probability of A intersection B. Part 2, probability of A complement intersection B complement. Then part 6, Roman 3, probability of A complement intersection B. Then Roman 4, probability of A complement union B. Then Roman 5, you have probability of A intersection B complement. So let us look at our solutions. So the first part, which is probability of A intersection B. Before I even proceed, we should look for probability or a set of probability that will give us probability of A intersection B. Where do we get probability of A intersection B? But from probability of A union B, we know that is given by probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So in this case, we have decided to use this one because we have been given this and we have been given A and B. So here just we need to make a probability of A intersection B the formula of this, the subject of this formula. So here we shall get it as probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A union B. So probability of A, we said it is 2 out of, probability of A is 19 out of 30 plus probability of B is 2 out of 5, then minus probability of A union B, which is 4 out of 5. The answer we are getting will give us the probability of A intersection B. So you have 19 out of 30 plus 2 out of 5 minus 4 out of 5. Then the answer I'm getting here is 7 out of 30 as our probability. Then part 2 of this question is saying, or the second Roman is saying that find the probability of A complement intersection B complement. Before you proceed with this question, just you need to record the formula we derived in the previous videos. That we said the probability of A complement intersection B complement is the same as probability of A union B complement, which is given by 1 minus probability of A union B. So since we have that, then our probability of A intersection B complement become 1 minus A union B. A union B, we have it as 4 out of 5. So the answer here gives us probability of 1 out of 5. Then that one become our probability of the second part. Then we shall go ahead and look at the third part, which is having probability of A complement intersection B. So where do we get this probability? From our Venn diagram, we said if this one is probability of A, this one is probability of event B, So this one be probability of A intersection B complement. This one come probability of A intersection B. Then this one come probability of A intersection B, but A when it is complement, and then this one will come probability of A union B complement. So we need a probability of A complement intersection B. Where do we get a probability of A complement intersection B? So probability of A complement intersection B is this one. But where can we get it from? This one can be got from probability of B, which is equal to probability of A intersection B, and then plus C from probability of B, from probability of B equaling to probability of A intersection B, then plus probability of A complement intersection B. What do we want? We want this one. So there we just rearrange our formula and then we get the probability that is required. So this one become probability of A intersection B complement become probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Then this one will be probability of B is 2 out of 5 minus probability of A intersection B is 7 out of 30. So the answer here we get 2 out of 5 minus 7 out of 30, we get 1 out of 6. So that one become our probability of A intersection A complement intersection B. Then we have the first Roman that probability of A complement union B. So where do we get this probability of A complement union B? Probability of A complement union B is got from probability of A union B, and then you put complements on those one or on that value that is having union. So this one we shall have from probability of A union B is given by probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Then for A complement, which I put this complement, and this one become complement. So our probability of A complement union B become probability of A complement, but we said that probability of A plus probability of A complement equals to 1. So probability of A complement will become 1 minus probability of A, which is 19 out of 30. This one you get 11 out of 30. Then you go ahead and find the value of probability of A complement union B. So our probability of A complement union B become probability of A complement, which is 11 out of 30, minus probability of B, which is 2 out of 5. Then this one is plus, then minus probability of A complement intersection B. A complement intersection B, we have it here, which is 1 out of 6. So the answer directly gives you the probability of A complement union B. Then 11 out of 30 plus 2 out of 5 minus 1 out of 6. We are getting 3 out of 5. Then after confirming that probability, we have that our last probability as That's probability, which is defined part 4, part 5 as probability of A intersection B equal probability of A intersection B complement. So from the same diagram, say that our probability of A equaling to probability of A intersection B, then plus probability of A intersection B complement. But what we want is probability of A intersection B complement to become probability of A intersection B complement. Probability of A intersection B complement. This one come this side, will remain with probability of A minus probability of A intersection B, and then this one give us the answer of A intersection B complement as probability of A, which is 19 out of 30, minus probability of A intersection B. We got a probability of A intersection B, which was 7 out of 30. So this one we get about 19 out of 30 minus 7 out of 30, we get 2 out of 5. So that one become our answer. What you need to record the formula we had to get in the previous video. So thank you for viewing this video.